This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
On the show today, right at the beginning of the week, I have the theme, if I could call it, बधाई हो, क्योंकि हम बधाई देते हैं to all those every week who have recently joined MMT. इनकी क्या goals हैं, इसके पहले क्या करते थे, ये भी थोड़ी बहुत हम जानकारी लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, उन्हें जानने की कोशिश करते हैं करीब से. That's what the show बधाई हो is all about. And today on the show with me, all the way from Bangalore, Srishti Shreya. She's from the User Experience Department. Srishti, it is so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Great to be on the show.
Srishti, how much do you love to travel?
So I travel mostly during weekends. So I have traveled mostly all over India, from east, west, north, south, everywhere. So yeah,
Wow.
I love traveling.
Matlab, as soon as you were out of your mom's tummy, you started traveling?
So college itself. So I belong from Jharkhand. There are not much things to do in Jharkhand, so I started traveling over there when I was in school. I used to visit nearby places. Then when I went to college, my college was in Gujarat, so the other corner.
Yeah.
I started visiting places nearby. Then during my last company, I had to travel a lot for work. Because of that also, I got a lot of chance to travel. So I was traveling to Maharashtra region, Delhi. Kasol also I went for quite a time, but not that much. As I live in Bangalore, I have been traveling nearby places here also.
But in the north, south, east, west zones that you just divided your travel into, which are basically the conventional zones, which one do you think is your favorite?
Udaipur.
माने वेस्ट हो गया ये.
Yes.
क्या
So
बात है.
basically, I'm there for 6 times now because I like this place so much. The city is beautiful. Every time I visit, there is something new I explore. Like there are hidden gems. Every time I go over there, I go with my friends mostly, and some of them are localites.
One thing that you really love about Udaipur?
So there's a Bhairavgarh Palace in Udaipur. You can see the whole mountain range from there.
The Aravalli
I really like
ranges.
that. Yes.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Let's go.
Badhai Ho is the name of the show, and Srishti Arya has joined me from User Experience Department based out of Bangalore. I think there is a whole lot of history she has with travel, so to speak. Srishti, अब आप travel company के साथ हैं, ये experience आपको तो बहुत special रहेगा.
Yes, I feel like Make My Trip was something planned. So I feel like, let's see what's there.
The universe brought you to a place where you belong, huh?
Yes, I feel like that.
Good. Okay, एक rapid fire round करने वाले हैं हम.
Sure, yes.
The Rapid Fire Round.
What's your most cherished memory in your life till now?
बहुत सारे हैं. So basically, when I was small, my father used to take me to this small place when you travel from Dhanbad to Ranchi. There is a small dhaba type of place. And whenever we used to go, the person used to give me ऐसे parle ji ka packets every time. Yeah, the same thing happened with me when I was traveling to Jammu. And there were small children going over there. Na? I started giving to them the small parle ji wala thing. So I feel like this is the whole evolution. So I felt very cute over this period of time.
तो आप अभी भी पार्ले जी की बिस्किट पैकेट्स बच्चों को देती हैं?
हाँ, I really used to like it. Like when I used to get something.
इसलिए आप वो ट्रेडिशन आगे बढ़ा रही हैं.
Yes.
Very, very nice heart you have. Okay, who has been your childhood hero?
I like Priyanka Chopra a lot. Follow her, how she has grown and
What's an ideal superpower you'd like to have someday?
to be invisible. I would like to be invisible. I would like to travel, and I don't want to pay for any flights or anything. I just want to go inside, sit over there,
Do you have a hidden talent? What is it, if you have one?
So I like painting a lot.
Nice.
That is I do in my free time.
What's an ideal weekend for you, Shrishti?
So my ideal weekend would be going to a very calm place, staying there for a bit, having a cup of black coffee and doing some random sketches around. That's it.
Nice. What has been your favorite sketch so far that you have made, you have painted, or you have drawn?
So I started painting when I was very small. So I painted my mother's portrait, and that is what has been my favorite yet.
That's amazing. What was your dream job as a child?
As I was from a very small town, I didn't had much options in hand, but when I went to standard 6, I got to know about designing. From childhood itself, I wanted to be a designer, not specifically any fashion designer or anything, but I had this thing in my mind that I will be a designer. So that is why I joined NIFT after I completed my 12th, and then I got to know there are different branches. So designing was it, and I am happy over here.
So NIFT, what did you graduate from NIFT in?
I graduated from NIFT in 2022 from lifestyle accessory product design.
That is definitely unique. Okay, one last question. What is your best trait that you're very proud of?
I think I can make friends very easily, and I like to be trustworthy to them.
Oh, that's sweet.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, पिल्स उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे sensations?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फरफराहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, भरभराहट, दबदबाहट, चटपटाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Head Set Go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Head Set Go.
On the show with Shrishti Shreya from the User Experience Department based out of Bangalore. तो आप ट्रैवल इतनी जगह कर चुकी हैं, कॉलेज से लेकर जो आपने खुद से या फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रैवल करना शुरू किया है, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ, क्या बैंगलोर के इर्द गिर्द भी आप जा चुकी हैं ऑलरेडी? मतलब 3 साल से तो आप यहाँ पे हो ही.
Yes, most of the places I have covered.
ये most of the places मतलब हर वीकेंड निकल पड़ती थी लगता है आप.
Because last work was work from home, so I used to travel a lot during that period of time. कि हाँ, हर वीकेंड में निकल जाए.
तो ये जो साउथ में आप इतनी जगहों पर निकल पड़ी हो, उनमें से कुछ अच्छी यादें हमें बताओ, 1-2 जगहों के बारे में बताओ.
I went on a bike trip to Coorg from Bangalore.
Nice.
So the places, like the roads, was so beautiful, like the nature, and we used to travel. We traveled for 4 days. When we were driving, it was feeling like we will fall because the roads were so narrow, and it was not something like I have traveled before. But in between of these roads, I saw a cute elephant family. And like I was not able to get out because get down and see them because the roads were full. But that was one of the experience I had in Coorg. I feel like I haven't seen something like that ever abhi tak.
Oh, good.
Cute सा एक family was.
कितने जन थे इस परिवार में?
This elephant family has only like 4 people. 2 small elephants and 2, I guess, mother and father of the elephants.
वाह, क्या बात है. ये अच्छी इमेज आपके दिमाग में बैठ गया है. अच्छा, एक और जगह के बारे में बताओ जहाँ आप गई हो और आपको वो जगह बहुत पसंद आई.
Udaipur, I would say, because I was traveling from college for the first time to Udaipur, and Gujarat being a very dry state and बहुत गर्मी है, so I traveled to Udaipur and पूरा temperature difference हो गया था.
जी.
I got fever the first day when I reached Udaipur, but उसके बाद भी I was like कि I came here for 2 days, so I'll experience जितना भी हो सकता है उदयपुर में. So उन 2 दिन में we traveled to every places, like जो भी possible हो सकता है, from the palace to all the mountain ranges, all the lakes and everything. तो वहाँ पे जो boats जाते हैं ना फतेह सागर लेक पे, वहाँ पे basically when I went inside the boat, every time when the boat was going there was nothing happening, but once I was in the boat there was a person who took all the musical instruments and the whole family of these people came inside and they started singing for the whole ride.
Wow.
And it was magical.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever marched in a protest.
I have.
Oh, where was this?
During college, we were not getting good food.
Never have I ever met a celebrity.
I have, but I didn't know back then that he is a celebrity, and I still don't know who he was. People were just coming and clicking pictures. So.
नाम भी नहीं पता.
नहीं.
Never have I
It's
ever
not
gone.
flight, so I
Never have I ever gone to a party I wasn't invited to.
never.
Never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the office fridge.
Never.
Never have I ever cheated on a test.
I have.
You never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
Never.
Or never have I ever been in love.
I haven't.
Oh, good. Are you still in love?
Yes.
Good. Never have I ever fallen asleep at work.
I have.
You have. Never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
I never.
Never have I ever read a partner's text messages.
I do, like, it's nothing personal. So.
Oh, and never have I ever traveled to a foreign country.
I have.
Where was this? Where?
Abu Dhabi.
Okay, and what's your dream destination?
Earlier it was Paris. Now I'm thinking.
And it's shifting from Paris to where?
I'm still thinking. I'm hearing a lot of things about that.
This has been great. You played the game really well. I have one more question for you, which is the last question essentially, is give me the motto of your life, something that maybe you have taken inspiration from maybe your mentors or your parents.
So basically, I was in NCC when I was in school. So at that point of time, I had an injury, and my father told me, things in your life come only once to you. If you lose it, you will never get the chance again to do it again. That is one thing that is always stuck in my mind, that if I lose on that opportunity at that period of time, it might not come to me again. So this is what I follow. I try to grab everything whenever it comes to me.
That is lovely indeed. It has been so nice to talk to you, Shrishti. Wishing you all the very best to grow by leaps and bounds here at MMT.
Thank you so much, Annie. And it was great talking to you as well.
Thank you so much, Shrishti. Really lovely, really nice talking to you. All the best and hope to see you soon.
Same here. Bye-bye.
This is Annie on Go MMT Radio. With that, come to the end of बधाई हो श्री श्रेया मेरे साथ शो पर थी आज और ये बैंगलोर में बेस्ड है यूजर एक्सपीरियंस डिपार्टमेंट से है. फिर मिलूंगी आपसे यहीं पर गो एमएमटी रेडियो पर और वो होगा 2 दिन बाद. ट्रिप्स डोंट लाई शो को लेकर आऊंगी. टिल देन यू गॉट टू कीप ट्रैवलिंग एंड थिंक ऑफ ऑल योर ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशंस एंड स्टे चीयरफुल.
Alive, क्या है ये life alive. जब घर में कोई बीमार हुआ तो वीके टीम ने कहा alive, alive. हेल्प पर छाई काली घटा तो बोली हवा alive, alive. अल्पर की फार्मेसी से ले लो अपनी दवाई. डेंटल चेकअप और आई केयर भी है भाई. Alive, alive, ये live, alive क्या है ये live, alive. जब कोई हेल्थ केयर करता है तू alive, alive. बड़ा प्यारा प्यारा लगता है तो दिल करता है alive, alive. हेल्थ का हीरो बनने का है ये टाइम. Alive एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो, it's prime. Alive, alive, ये live, alive क्या है ये live, alive. सिर्फ वी केयर फन मेंबर्स के लिए. Yeah, yeah.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.